Welcome to our video on the 6 popular herbs that are so dangerous they could kill you. You have likely heard about the newfound popularity of foraging. It's becoming a trend to find and use natural foods and health remedies, but be careful not to mistake danger for natural. In this video, we will explore the 6 popular herbs that are so dangerous they could kill you. Mushrooms, cattails, acorns, stinging nettles, if cooked, tubers, rosehips, weeds, yarrow, and plantains are a few examples of popular foraged foods. Before going out to forage, make sure you know how to do it safely because some plants can be poisonous when consumed. While herbs are generally considered safe, some can be toxic and potentially lethal if taken improperly. In this video, we will explore the harmful effects of 6 popular herbs and the precautions you should take to avoid poisoning. So, if you are interested in learning more about the dark side of herbs, keep watching. 1. Comfrey. Comfrey is a herb that has been used for centuries to heal wounds, bruises, and sprains. However, comfrey contains toxic compounds called pyrrolizidine alkaloids, PAs, which can cause liver damage and cancer. Ingesting comfrey can lead to abdominal pain, vomiting, jaundice, and liver failure. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid comfrey, as well as people with liver problems. 2. Wormwood. Wormwood is a herb commonly used in the production of absinthe, a highly alcoholic beverage. However, wormwood contains thujone, a toxic substance that can cause convulsions, hallucinations, and seizures. Overdosing on wormwood can lead to brain damage and death. Pregnant women, people with epilepsy, and those with liver or kidney problems should avoid wormwood. 3. Jimson weed. Jimson weed, also known as datura, is a herbaceous plant that contains powerful hallucinogenic compounds. Ingesting Jimson weed can cause dilated pupils, dry mouth, confusion, and delirium. High doses of Jimson weed can lead to coma, seizures, and death. Jimson weed is so toxic that even touching the plant can cause skin irritation and respiratory problems. 4. Pennyroyal. Pennyroyal is a herb commonly used as a natural insect repellent and for menstrual cramps. However, pennyroyal contains a toxic compound called pelargon, which can cause liver and kidney damage, seizures, and death. Ingesting pennyroyal can also cause abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Pregnant women should avoid pennyroyal, as it can cause miscarriage and stillbirth. 5. Foxglove. Foxglove is a herb that contains a potent cardiac glycoside called digoxin, which is used to treat heart failure. However, ingesting foxglove can cause nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and blurred vision. High doses of foxglove can lead to heart failure, arrhythmias, and death. Foxglove is so toxic that even touching the plant can cause skin irritation. 6. Aconite. Aconite, also known as monk's herb, is a herb used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat pain and inflammation. However, aconite contains toxic alkaloids that can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and cardiac arrest. Ingesting aconite can lead to respiratory failure and death. Aconite is so toxic that even touching the plant can cause skin irritation and numbness. So, if you're interested in foraging or natural remedies, be sure to do your research and know the potential dangers of the herbs you use. We hope this video has provided valuable information on the toxicity of these 6 popular herbs. Remember, nature can be both beautiful and deadly. Stay safe and informed. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.